books are shipping. It makes me so very happy to say that. I see why you typically use a glass for this. Anyway, I am extremely happy to, at long last, report that all of our books are shipping starting tomorrow. Everything has arrived at a fulfillment company. We have a fulfillment company that's handling this for us because of the volume. So they have all of our books, they have the bookmarks, they have the Ex Libris stickers that were optional add-ons that a bunch of you guys decided to get. They have all of the cocktail flyer sheets. I have champagne on my mustache. They have all of it. They are packing it literally right now as I record this video, and they're going to start shipping out tomorrow when, you know, they can put stuff in the mail at the beginning of the day. So I don't know the exact number of orders they're going to be able to do in a single day. We're looking at probably 10 to 15%. It'll probably take about a week for everything to actually get shipped. However, you will get an email, because we have your email addresses from the pre-order and from our sales process. You will get an email when your book goes into the mail. And you will get another email when it's actually delivered, in case you lose track of it, or if for some chance it goes to an old address, a wrong address, whatever. As soon as it's delivered, you'll get another email, so you'll know to go check your doorstep because it's there waiting. In terms of shipping time, for domestic US orders, we are shipping everything medium mail, which is fairly slow, but that's why we were able to have a very inexpensive shipping rate within the US. That will be 1 to 2 weeks from when you get that first email that it's in the system to when it actually arrives. For international folks, you're looking at about a week. We're using private carriers there, and shipping time will of course depend on what country you're in, all sorts of variables for that. But in general, it should be about 1 week for that. Also, something to point out, we were able to get better shipping rates internationally through our fulfillment company than we had been able to get on our own. And so I know our shipping rates internationally were painfully high to begin with, and I really didn't like that fact, but there was nothing we could do about it. Well, knowing that we have better rates, we took the leftover money and we used it to cover all of your customs fees. So often getting a package like this in the mail service in foreign countries outside the US, are going to hold that for a customs charge. All that's been covered at our end. You will just get the book. Probably for future books, we're going to reduce our shipping rate as much as we can and leave the customs to you guys, but that's a future issue thing. Now, if you ordered a collector's edition, we have a bit of an issue going on there. We're sending you an email. Basically, as soon as this video drops, we're sending you guys specifically an email. Check your inbox for that, and we'll cover that directly and personally with you guys. As for everyone else, I'm super stoked that this is shipping. I was going to pick up the book and show you, but now my hands are covered with champagne and I don't want to get my 2 sample books all sticky and grungy, so I'm not gonna. You will be getting your books in a matter of a week or 2, which is very exciting. So I would love to hear from you guys when you get them, what you think. If you feel like posting something online, tag me or tag Headstamp Publishing, or use the hashtag French Rifle Book so that we can find it and repost it and get your direct feedback. I'm very excited. I'm very proud of how the book turned out, and I'm happy that I think people will remember the quality of the book and the very many delays that you have all been exceedingly patient with us through. People forget about those. I'll probably forget about those too. And I think the book is very much well worth it. So anyway, I am going to have a little more celebratory champagne here, and you'll start getting emails of shipping books tomorrow.